Hey guys, it is the lovely and beautiful Miss Smith, and welcome to Writing Tag. Writing Tag is where we are practicing for our STAR test. We're practicing using passages and answering questions. You take your STAR test on April 6th. That means you have 1 month to prepare for your STAR test. So that's why this is very important. You're going to do this as self-paced. So that means that you are going to be working at your own pace. If you need help, you can always ask your teachers who are in the room, but you're working on your own pace. You'll watch a video, then you'll answer the questions at your own pace. So you're probably like, well, Miss, why are we doing tag? Well, we need you to be prepared for your STAR test. Okay, well, why is it self-paced? Well, when you take your STAR test, you're working at a different pace than everyone else. That's the same for when we are practicing. We want you to practice at your own pace. That way you are guiding yourself. We also want you to be in charge of your learning. We want you to take charge of how you learn and how fast you learn. And that's why this is important. We're doing this during acceleration because it's the best time for us to add in this additional practice to help you for your STAR test. So let's talk about some expectations. One, you are on task. On task means you have your Ed puzzle and your Google Docs open. You are working with quality. Quality means that you are showing your strategies and you are taking your time. You are staying on pace. On pace means that you are trying your best to finish your lessons before the due date. So there are due dates on every single lesson that gives you the suggested time you should be done. I know some of us might be absent some days, and sometimes we might go past that due date, but that due date lets you know that, okay, if I don't have this done by this time, then I'm behind. You're also asking for help. You have your teachers in the room, ask them for help. We know how to help you. Type it in the chat if you're online, or just raise your hand. You can also raise your hand if you're online. And you are definitely trying your best. We want you to try your best on your STAR. So that means you also need to try your best on your practice. So right now, I'm going to show you how to start your lesson real quick. So you are going to go into Google Classroom like you already did to look at this video. You're going to make sure you're in Mr. Smith's class because that's where we're doing this. That's also where you found this video. You're going to be in the classwork section. You are going to go where it says Writing Tag. You're going to go to Writing Tag. You are going to click on Lesson 1.1. That's how you're going to start. You're going to click on Lesson 1.1, do the Ed puzzle. Then you'll go to Lesson 1.2 and you'll do your Google Doc to work on it. After you finish that, you'll go to Lesson 2, so on and so on. The last 5 minutes of acceleration, I want you to do your daily closeout. Your daily closeout is a quick little Google form that lets me know how you felt about all of this work. So you're going to tell me what lesson you're on. That tells me that you are in charge of your learning. You're going to let me know if you finished. You're going to let me know how you felt about the lesson. You're going to tell me what you need to do tomorrow, and then let me know if you feel like you can continue to work by yourself, if you feel like you need to check in tomorrow because you were a little confused about a couple of questions, and then let me know if you need a small group. That means you were completely confused and you feel like you need a small group. Remember, you are in charge and this is how you do it. I will see you guys later. Bye.